Welcome to our channel KidsLoreTV. Let's embark on a fun-filled journey through the alphabet, exploring the letters Q through Z and discovering interesting words that begin with each letter. Ready for the adventure? Let's go! Q is for quilt, R is for rainbow, S is for satellite, T is for train, U is for umbrella, V is for volcano, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, Y is for yacht, Z is for zoo. Let's start with letter Q. I am letter Q. Can you say Q? Now, let's discover the letter R. I am letter R. Say R with me. Next up is the letter S. I am letter S. Can you make the sound S? Time for letter T. I am letter T. Repeat after me. T. Now, turn with letter U. I am letter U. Say U with me. Now let's time to discover letter V. I am letter V. Repeat after me. V. Next up is the letter W. I am letter W. Can you make the sound W? Now, it's time to discover letter X. I am letter X. Repeat after me. X. Now, turn letter Y. I am letter Y. Say Y with me. Now, turn last name of alphabet, the letter Z. I am letter Z. Let's say, together Z with me. What a thrilling alphabetical adventure from Q to Z. Each letter has opened up new worlds and wonders. What's your favorite letter and why? Thanks for joining us on this journey through the alphabet. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next one. Subscribe, please.